The moment you've all been waiting for, Dogeverse is gearing up to launch. The Dogeverse pre-sale is coming to an end, and if you haven't grabbed your bag yet, you absolutely need to make that decision very, very quickly here. We're going to talk about the countdown, we're going to talk about the timer that you see on the screen, we're going to talk about the Dogecoin launch in this video, because if you're ready to make money like I am excited. So let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we got Dogeverse on the screen right now because we have a major announcement. You have a timer ticking down until the sale is over. We're gonna go over their latest X post in a second here, but you notice this brand new timer on their website: 10 days, 14 hours, 30 minutes, and 11 seconds. Beautiful. What does that timer mean? That means the sale is going to end in 10 days, 14 hours, 30 minutes, and 3 seconds from right now as I'm recording this video. So make sure you use the official affiliate link in the description below to head on over to the Dogeverse website and see that timer for yourself, because clearly as you're watching this video, after I'm recording this video, the timer is even lower at this point in time. So what does this mean, guys? This is the last time that you can buy Dogeverse, and then it is going to be live. It is going to be tradable a couple days later. I'm going to show you their X post in a second here, but if you do find yourself interested in buying, it is very, very easy to do so. If you go out there with 10 Ethereum, you're going to be walking away with 119 million Dogeverse. Think about it, 119 million Dogeverse. If Dogeverse just goes up to a penny, you're walking away with over $1 million on your 10 Ethereum. It could be absolutely beautiful with gains like that. So when could you see it happen? Oh, and you know what? You can buy on Ethereum if you want, but you can also buy with BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. You can claim on those blockchains, and you're going to be able to bridge back and forth between those blockchains easily and with very, very small fees. Minuscule gas fees to worry about is what makes Dogeverse different. It's an actual bridge that you can move back and forth between these blockchains with. But I want to show you guys this major announcement right here. As you can see, 21.2 thousand followers out on their X account. Very, very nice job growing their community so quickly. But just 3 hours ago, they announced that they are ready to blast off with Cosmo. Now, the pre-sale ends June 3rd at 10 a.m. UTC. For those of you that are in the United States, that is 6 a.m. Eastern Time. If you live somewhere else, you got to do the conversion for yourself there. The claim is going to be 2 days after, on June 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, or 10 a.m. UTC, sorry, 6 a.m. Eastern Time. So the pre-sale, you are no longer going to be able to buy Dogeverse after that June 3rd. And you are you can claim it afterwards, yes, but you will be able to claim your Dogeverse on June 5th at 10 a.m. and it should be tradable at that point in time. Now, guys, let's go over a couple price predictions because I see a lot of expectations, right? I see people talking about 100x gains. I see people talking about 5x gains. What are we looking at here realistically? So Dogeverse is launching at the 0.0031 price. A lot of these pre-sales see elevated volatility on launch day, but a lot of these pre-sales see elevated volatility to the upside on launch day. So I do have very high expectations, but I want to talk about Dogeverse a little bit shorter into the longer term, right? Not just launch day volatility. These guys are building a bridge that you can jump from one blockchain to another seamlessly and for very, very cheap fees. That's actual utility. That is going to, and if that is utilized, right, you take advantage of the word utility, if that is utilized by the meme coin community that is buying into Dogeverse, the potential is unlimited. If you look at things like Pepe and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin and Floki and Bonk, go on down the line with whatever your favorite dog with hat, whatever your favorite meme coin is, they didn't launch with inherent utility like Dogeverse is doing. They didn't launch with demand to move and jump from blockchain to blockchain. Dogeverse is already leaps and bounds ahead of all of these other meme coins because it is launching with real world utility. That is something special. Now, I don't know if the meme coin traders out there are going to flock to Dogeverse and use it as their go-to bridge, but if they do, Think about all of the wallets that hold and trade meme coins. If they flock to Dogeverse, if they buy in, this token could soar beyond your wildest dreams. Now, I don't know what the actual, I guess, market cap is going to be on launch. A lot of these tokens launch between a $10 and $20 million market cap. Therefore, you could see a 100x gain just to get to $1 billion market cap. And look at Pepe right now, $6 billion. Dog with Hat, roughly $3 billion. Shiba Inu coin, $14-15 billion. The sky is the limit, and that is why I'm so excited about Dogeverse. Guys, I have bought in very nicely to the Dogeverse pre-sale. I'm very excited about how much money I'm going to make. The only question is, are you going to make it with me? Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.